Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. I just want to show you some results if you are waiting to see if I get paid out. Yep, I got paid out. There's my 11 bucks right there. You can see my Bitcoin to USD 1.9179. That's my balance right now. And you can see my total earned so far is 13 bucks. And this is all I put in. I just put in 113 bucks. I already got 13 bucks. I got 11 back in my Coinbase. And I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm gonna go to my email right here. Coinbase, you just received 0020306 or $11.36. So you can see that I have received right here the same amount. Okay, I have gotten paid, guys. It does work. I have received monies back. Now we're gonna break even. Okay, the break even point, they even let you know that's on the 16th, okay, of November. On the 16th, so the middle of November, I'll break even, and everything after that is going to be profit. Okay, and right now I've been paid out, and I am gaining money, earning money every single hour. It's on the hour. So right now we're 30 minutes into it. I'm about to get an extra 21 cents. It's going to keep on growing and growing and growing. So that's the update. You want to join up, Bit Petite, go ahead and click the link below. Join up now, make your investment, and start making money on this Bitcoin. Amazing, guys. Talk to you later.